I'm here today with my handmade salve, and I use it a lot, mostly in the winter time. And I just went inside to get it, and now I'm back in the office, and there it is. It has the ingredients of coconut oil in this order: coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, beeswax, infused with frankincense, ginger, lavender, rosemary, orange essential oils. Why I chose these essential oils is because it's an ancient recipe where the frankincense is very good for your skin, and when it seeps in, it takes the muscle pain out. It's not a cure, but it is a relief. And ginger infused in coconut oil and olive oil. Olive oil contains a lot of vitamins, natural vitamins, and so does coconut oil and beeswax and shea butter. And when the ginger is infused into these ingredients, it seeps in, and it's very helpful to heal very dry skin in the wintertime, dry skin, nails, and other things. And the rosemary is lately discovered, and a lot of people make videos with rosemary in their salves and things that you put in your hair. And the last ingredient I have is orange, because there is a vitamin C in orange, and there is a lot of serums made with orange for the skin. So here I have this, and I will have a part 2 of my application of the label, and to show you again what this does for all parts of your body.